Who no disgusting nigga? Wanna fire pan a rape a boy, cause you shoulda never take the young girl fi die. Ayo, miss a rape a boy, it a go ready fi go finger joy. When we sing again, wanna fire pan a rape a boy, cause you shoulda never take the young girl fi die. Ayo, miss a rape a boy, it a go ready fi go finger joy. Aye.
Zap them, trap them, and them fi know say no they are tuning in to the Zap Them Trap Them TV now. We there we preview and we review the latest thing them want go on in Jamaica. You see me I say? Yeah man, straight up. So people you know say today want to join the campaign here you see me stop violence against women, cause I get to understand say yo some of the man them a killer of the woman them brethren, and when I like them thing there in the country, matter of fact in the world overall, when I want to see the man them a violate the woman them, cause you know say a woman bring we come a earth and them thing there. So we love them thing there, you see me? So join the campaign, stop violence against women. Straight up, you hear that? Chop them again. Zap them. Like, share and subscribe. Hear what the artist a say.
Ayo, miss a rape a boy, it a go ready fi go finger joy. When we sing again, wanna fire pan a rape a boy, cause you shoulda never take the young girl fi die. Ayo, miss a rape a boy, it a go ready fi go finger joy. Aye. Last night around 10:30, Shelly and her sister a go a party when two man ride up on a Kawasaki. Approach and nice and so distantly, Shelly and her sister was so frightened. As the man them pull out them pumpy rifle, you see, them kind of thing they should never happen. And them rape a man, they deserve a beating people. But not for your partner.
Yeah man people, as me I tell you, join the campaign, stop violence against women. Straight up.
You know, Sean Paul, you light skin, you nice guy, you make big commercial tune.
Yes, dog.
And some might think you're not the real deal.
Yeah, me zap them and chop them fans, as you can see, say Sean Paul, the live and living boss, they with who that Fat Joe, aka the crack, You see me and the dog them there reason, and Fat Joe I show him my vibes. I say yo they are the toughest thing and guess who forward in our reason busy signal. We are gonna go in night man and see what go on. Zap them and chop them.
Hey, yo, you know Busy right outside here. I could bring him in here if you want, bro.
No way! Bring Biggie. Can you bring Busy Signal in?
He's right, yes sir.
Busy
Fat Joe to the world.
Yeah.
Busy Signal, is it?
Yo, Busy Signal.
Joe. Whoop, whoop, whoop.
Yeah. Yo, Busy Signal, big fan, Fat Joe. Big fan.
Big up, Fat Joe. I mean, big up.
Yo, the man said the Busy tune, but one of our next favorite, the boom tune. So I said Busy there, and say what?
Yeah. Hey, let me tell you something.
Yeah.
Busy, why you never come to America that often?
I'll be there. I'll be up there. I reach up enough time with them, man.
We was just discussing that.
Yeah.
You was discussing that too?
Yeah, just outside, man.
Outside, yeah.
Hey, yo, Busy Signal, can you give us some of that Busy Signal lyric,
Yeah.
You're one of the biggest in the game. You're the best in the game, man.
Hey.
Fat Joe, no, man.
Wind up your body and take it down low. Wind up yourself and tip to the floor. Sexy pose, dummy 6 domino. We just sit back for me slow. And then you boom. Boom.
Bubble it, girl, make it.
Boom.
Sexy body, girl, make it.
Boom.
Shake out the place, make it.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. All right then.
Girl, you a proper thing, you know, like a thing, shape and body, hotter than where them have a bring. So me love it, for swing, brain, cell a ring.
Ting-a-ling-a-ling, we need the same thing. Girl, you have a bad, just make your body go. Woo. Lock down the body like we are so. Take it to the floor, girl, you off it now. Hey, me say Fat Joe, make them know. Wind up your body. Hey.
Bubble it, girl, make it. Sexy body, girl, make it. Shake up the